Today, we're diving into free, open-source OSINT tools on GitHub that help you track down location signals using only public data. We'll break down 10 powerful tools that reveal geographic clues hidden in everything from cell towers to social media posts. Everything shown is based on public information. Use these tools ethically and legally. Let's get into the tech and signals of OSINT location tracking. Trae is a free tool that lets you generate a custom link to collect metadata when someone clicks it. Share the link in a controlled environment. When it's clicked, Trae logs the IP address, browser, device type, and language settings. You get real-time logs, including geographic location and technical details of the device used. You control what happens. Trae only collects metadata, not malware or payloads. Use Trae's logs to trace the route of an email, validate suspicious logins, or map the geographic spread of a campaign. This is especially useful for OSINT investigations and mapping potential attack surfaces. Always use Trae with proper consent and within legal boundaries. GeoFinder is a free OSINT tool that helps you track locations using metadata. Feed GeoFinder a data point, like an IP address, phone prefix, or a snippet from a chat log. It cross-references public datasets, telecom leaks, and open APIs to estimate the region, city, or telecom provider. You can input single data points or upload lists for batch processing, saving time on manual lookups. GeoFinder's results are mapped and annotated, making it easy to visualize and verify location data. You can trace which dataset led to each location estimate for transparency. GeoFinder only uses open authorized sources, ideal for verification, not surveillance. Use GeoFinder to quickly map and verify locations from public data. No theory, just actionable results. OpenCellED is the world's largest open-source database of cell tower locations, perfect for OSINT location tracking when GPS isn't available. To use it, gather the cell tower IDs from your target device: MCC, MNC, LAC, and Cell ID. Enter these IDs into OpenCellED's interface or API, and you'll get a likely location on the map. This is useful for tracking lost devices, investigating telecom fraud, or mapping infrastructure in hard-to-reach places. The data is open, no special license needed to access or contribute. Journalists can verify phone locations, and cybersecurity teams can spot unusual movement patterns. Always respect privacy and local laws when using OpenCellED for OSINT. Creepy is an OSINT tool for mapping geotagged content. It aggregates geotagged posts from platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Flickr, and builds a timeline map showing where and when posts were made. To use Creepy, input a username or public profile. The tool pulls all available public geotagged content. It correlates timestamps and locations, displaying everything on an interactive map. You can quickly visualize a person's movement patterns across cities or countries. Creepy supports multi-platform correlation, so you get a cross-verified view from different networks. The visualization tools help you spot gaps or anomalies in digital trails, useful for verification. Creepy only works with public content. Always respect privacy boundaries. For OSINT location tracking, Creepy is a practical tool to map and analyze digital footprints. Spiderfoot is an OSINT automation tool that scans hundreds of intelligence sources for location signals. It extracts location data from domains, emails, usernames, and IPs automatically. The tool automates API queries, scrapes public datasets, and correlates metadata to find addresses or server locations. Results are compiled into clear reports with visualizations and risk scores. You can customize modules to focus on location extraction or combine with other searches. Audit logs track data sources for transparency. Use Spiderfoot to quickly map digital and geographic exposure. PhoneInfoga is a tool for analyzing phone numbers using telecom metadata. Enter a phone number, and PhoneInfoga extracts details like carrier, region, country, and line type, mobile, landline, or VoIP. It cross-references public directories, telecom leaks, and APIs to gather this data. Results include a profile summary for each number, showing all available telecom metadata. PhoneInfoga checks numbers against breached databases and flags those linked to fraud or spam. You can export results in CSV or JSON for further analysis. Batch processing lets you analyze multiple numbers at once. PhoneInfoga uses only public or authorized data, making it suitable for compliant investigations. MapQuest Open Data APIs let you automate reverse geocoding, turning GPS coordinates into real-world addresses or place names. You can input a batch of coordinates, such as from mobile photos or incident reports, and instantly get map locations. The APIs also support coordinate mapping and route visualization for easy integration into mapping systems. Integration is simple. Connect MapQuest APIs to Python scripts, GIS platforms, or web apps. It's built on open data, so there are no strict licensing restrictions. Only use coordinates you're authorized to analyze. OSINTgram is an open-source tool that extracts public geotag activity from Instagram for any username. Input a public Instagram username, and OSINTgram scrapes all available geotag posts. It builds a map timeline showing where and when posts were made with linked content. You can visualize movement patterns and activity clusters on a map. Export results or integrate them with other mapping tools for further analysis. OSINTgram only uses public data and does not bypass privacy settings. Sherlock is a popular OSINT tool on GitHub for username correlation and digital footprint mapping. Enter a username, and Sherlock searches hundreds of social media and web platforms in parallel. It compiles matching profiles, often including biolocations, geotag posts, or city-level hints. Sherlock aggregates indirect location clues like time zone info, local hashtags, and event participation. This lets you map a user's digital footprint across platforms. Batch processing and export options are available for large-scale investigations. Sherlock only uses public data, no access to private profiles or paywalled content. Let's wrap up with some key insights on OSINT location intelligence. The first thing to remember is that public metadata is everywhere. IP addresses, geotags, cell towers, usernames, and more. When you cross-reference these signals across platforms, you can build a much clearer picture than any one piece of data would give you. The strength of OSINT isn't just in the tools, but in the workflows. Combining results from Trae, GeoFinder, and Sherlock, for example, lets you triangulate evidence, verify claims, and spot inconsistencies. This is the backbone of ethical investigation, using public data to build a solid, transparent case. Ethics are non-negotiable. Each of these tools is designed for authorized, research-focused use, whether that's cybersecurity defense, journalism, or academic study. Overstepping legal or privacy boundaries isn't just wrong, it's counterproductive, damaging trust and credibility. OSINT location tools also have a huge role in cybersecurity awareness. By showing how much info leaks through everyday digital use, they help people and organizations build better defenses, spot phishing attempts, and understand real-world threat models. And finally, remember that transparency builds trust. Always disclose your sources, use audit logs, and be ready to explain your workflow. OSINT isn't about secrets. It's about understanding the visible signals all around us responsibly. All right, that's a wrap on our dive into the world of free, open-source OSINT location tracking tools. These platforms are reshaping how we investigate, verify, and defend in a world overflowing with digital signals. From journalism to cybersecurity to academic research, OSINT tools empower us to learn,